Short PowerPoint I have. That's a long.
Okay. Yeah. This is a come on, enjoy. I'm not getting put over the trash. Yeah.
And I think I'm going to piggyback on everybody else's different. I know these this week.
You know, in 19 weeks ago, in that yard by Tuscaloosa.
Yeah.
You know,
It's like a joint.
go.
Yeah.
It's got a decoder in it, ready to go. I'll take 70.
Okay.
It's Digitrack.
I think I'll go to 10 for you here.
I've got a big thing out here.
Well,
You can go through see if there's anything else that's about.
take all the scenery down around.
All right, nice. Do you know if it's what it's programmed on?
This thing right here is
Yeah, it's brand new.
if I switch that one more time, I guarantee it that will be. I don't know why. Yeah. The ones that you
My dad and my stepmother. I don't know.
Thank you. All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
So just doing a little bit of switching? Yeah. If I really wanted to get so detailed with this, I might just get a little computer chip or whatever, plug it in and let it do its own switch. And that'd be pretty neat. That'd take a while, but it would. Yeah, you gotta go home with it too. I was about to say I'm on track that can short.
I'm gonna track that cam short and my deep short.
It looks really nice.
They're talking about the green, here it comes. The Hershey's car, hon.
No, I didn't. Make sure we look at it on the way out.
Watch it when it comes around the railroad crossing. Bud cars. I guess these are Bud cars, the Amtrak here. Yeah, we're selling them. It's not a bad price.
fun layout. That's super.
Thank you.
I wish my layout grandson was here to see it. Lego. But I see you got a lot of Lego fans. Nice to talk with you. Thanks for bringing it.
See the monster with you?
Oh yeah.
That's from the Lego movie. Not from the newest one, but it's from the Lego movie.
Oh, okay. I didn't know what.
That's where they get that character right there, and then that character, and then that robotic thing. I have no clue what it's called. Some of these sets are pretty old. Yeah, like I have a Lego set and all. Like I can probably if I find all the pieces, I can more than likely build a city out of it.
Oh, nice. Yeah, nice.
I have like I have a couple old sets like the Forest Police Station. That's pretty old. Like I just love seeing Legos and seeing like what people create. Like this right here, it looks custom.
Yeah, the camper, actually I built mostly the camper.
Yeah.
Well, this one is not though, right? But these.
The middle one.
This one and that one.
Yeah, those two look custom.
And then these two pieces, our son built these two pieces. Well, you helped him with this one.
Yeah, I
didn't you?
helped me and Shannon built that. And we put these on little spinners.
Yeah, so they'll actually look like they get hit or something like that.
We thought it'd be neat if we could motorize them to make them spin.
Yeah.
Little extra work would be fun.
Yep, a little bit of electrical work. And that's pretty neat because I've never seen one of these things actually work out like that.
Oh, yeah. Well, we're in the process of making a carousel too that will spin.
Oh, nice.
Do you live local here?
I live in Oldham County, which is in Kentucky.
Oh, okay.
So I'm pretty far away. So I woke up extra early in the morning to come up here and all this. So.
I was gonna say because we do a show in Petersburg where we bring. This is just part of our display. We have actually a lot more. We have a Lego makes like the winter scene with the little Christmas village. So we have one of those and.
One of the people, like at some train shows down in Kentucky, they actually have a Lego thing and that Lego set that they made some custom engines and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty neat.
That is cool.
I'm actually happy that y'all have this here because I know a lot of people on YouTube like Legos and all, including myself, and I love just sit here and watch that go through. Like, is this? I think this is like one of the older ones.
Oh, he's wonderful.
Yeah, that's one of the earlier
That's one of the
Yeah.
earlier ones. Yeah.
And now they have like a white one or whatever.
Uh-huh.
When you buy this set, it comes with only one of these.
Yeah.
And I found a used one on eBay. I thought it looked better with an extra car.
Hey, it does look like how it would be, but like in real life, it'd probably be more like 12 of them in the middle.
Yeah,
Probably.
yeah, definitely.
But yeah, that looks really nice, and looks like you have some bad people there on the top of it.
Yeah, we do. And we have some
The good. What about the good, the bad, the ugly?
That's exactly right. We got some stormtroopers running the crazy cars in there, and there's some Minecraft people here and there.
Yeah, I saw Minecraft guys up there with the
battle.
skeletons.
Yeah.
Steve versus a spider with a shovel in his hand.
Yep.
Like if I do something like this, I probably more than likely make stuff like look like Minecraft themed.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I like the Minecraft sets that they have for Lego.
Oh, they're not that bad. They
Yeah.
actually look pretty darn realistic.
They sure do. They sure do.
It looks really nice. That's Town Square right there. That middle piece is from Town Square. Like, if you like put a random set in front of me, I could probably tell you what it is without the box.
You're the expert.
Yeah, I actually have some. I think I have that camper van or not. I don't know which camper van I have because I know I have a camper van.
Uh-huh.
The Chase McCain set that has the Hummer down there with the red car there.
Yeah?
That car is actually the Lotus E-Spirit.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, and his police car is a Humvee.
Okay.
So it's pretty cool.
That is really cool.
I like the scenes that y'all have of over there where the two cars crash.
Crashed, yeah. And we tried to take some of the Lego movie stuff and kind of...
Old car. Look at this old Highway Patrol. Looks like a Highway Patrol. Wood Capitol Lodge 138. Interior dough. So beautiful. Looks like a Hudson. I don't know where it is. Hey, beautiful car. It has the old siren. A lot of artifact stuff here. Must be old stuff. Cuteness. We like a Western scene, my wet salon. See, beautiful Western scene. That I find something cool. This is a boiler, probably off of a steamer, but looks like one. Well, look at this, guys. Portable steam engine. It's all over that too. It's even bigger. Just see these guys while I was looking through. There's an old steamer right there as well. I got like these 3 rows here. These 3 rows. Yeah, I didn't see this. I'm gonna cover the light with my finger here. Yeah, it's the Union Pacific Big Boy diagram. Beautiful, beautiful engine. Even up there too. And this old steamer.
I take these cats out and then it just folds up.
So is this like a German type setting?
This is German. Yeah, like Central European, call it the Transylvania Railroad. So it's all German and European equipment.
Personally, I never liked German, but like in this scale, it looks really nice. Like, I have nothing against Germans. They're pretty awesome because they make some pretty unique engines. Like this little fella right there.
Yeah, these are they did build beautiful stuff.
Oh yes, they did. Isn't that like a skeleton critter right there?
These came from Dungeons and Dragons.
Oh yeah,
D&D
Dungeons and Dragons. Yeah, I like the LED lighting in there. I actually had to cover my LED light on my phone in order to see it really well because I forgot that I couldn't have my light on.
Yeah. I got it. Not to be showing off.
U.S. Army military stuff. Pretty unique. I've never seen it in. What scale is this? O scale?
A lot of that's 027.
027.
This car is an O gauge. See how much longer it is.
Yeah. Jet. Tank there. I have one of these guys in N scale, but it's not this type of engine. It's like a GP 35 or something like that. Gordon chassis system design. I'm always fascinated by the military stuff.
It could be yours.
Sadly I don't do this scale, and if it was, I'd be happy to, you know, have
a surprises like. Yeah.
Oh wow.
And then you lift that gun out of there and you set it in that.
Yeah. Some of these, like in HO Scout, they have like some of these surprise attack boxcars and all that stuff. So yeah, it's pretty neat.
I gotta run the rest of the beer on that.